Hey everybody, welcome to AL Pro Tips, a Learn from the Pros mini-series. For today's tip, Travis, owner of Whitaker Waterscapes, and Rex, owner of Pond Professors, will be showing us an important tip when installing a skimmer. Take it away, guys.
Probably pretty close right there.
Yeah.
Travis, any tip or advice when you're setting a skimmer?
Yeah, be sure it's level. Be sure it's as deep as you want it to be. That's good advice, ain't it?
That's good advice.
Be sure it's on the opposite side of your waterfall for good circulation. That's really what you was hunting for, wasn't it?
Whatever you shoot for. Get out now.
Bam.
I'm trying to see you. Rex, what's your tip when you're putting in a skimmer?
I'm not listening.
Make it level.
But yeah, if y'all got any questions this day, I know I cut up a little bit. Feel free to ask.
You might get a serious answer.
You will get a serious answer. But there are dumb questions.
Yeah, okay.
That's fine too. This was our water line, but this is guaranteed as high as the water can go. Does that make sense? Yeah. So that is our actual new water line. I mean, we know when we build the rock around this thing, if we go lower than that, then there's a new overflow and not one we really want. This is where we really want the excess water to run. So yeah, this is kind of getting us right, and this is where when we feel to and we tell our homeowner, hey, go to the second nut. This is actually a fraction higher than this, which is fine. But if we go higher than that, then we've created a new overflow that we ain't gonna like.
And don't try to get it as close as you can. I mean, that's the
We'll
things settle over time. So I always try to leave at least 2 inches around the perimeter of the pond.
Yeah. So when you got your laser, to go down, it always confuses my new guys. To go down, you go up. You understand that? Yeah.
We really appreciate this tip from Travis, owner of Whitaker Waterscapes, and Rex, owner of Pond Professors. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks from the guys. Interested in learning more about this AL Pro tip? Check out our blog at Atlantic-Watergardens.com/blog for more information.